This video is brought to you by aliens. I've been cloned. I am not the real Darren. Darren is nowhere to be found, so I'm here doing a ball review for him, for the Roto clone. Enjoy. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have another ball review for you today. Roto clone. The theme of this video is going to be, is this a remake of the UFO alert? The ball we all know and love, or the ball we all used to know. Is this going to be close? So far, I don't think so, but we'll see. We'll throw some shots. So clone has the same core as the alert. Solid cover stock. Both come shiny. Hopefully this one strikes just as much as its predecessor. All right, nice. So in terms of ball reaction, layouts are pretty close to the same. Not really. As you see, the bridge cracked out. I avoided the warranty because I drilled too close to the pin. So this one is a 5 1/4 by 5 1/2 by 5. So we got some longer numbers because I don't want these asymmetric balls to stand up too quick. And this core is pretty strong. Actually a modified core. It's not the same core, I lied. Slightly stronger. Marginally. 0.01 stronger in the RG department, 0.001 I think stronger in the diff. Been modified just a bit. So if anything, because it's solid, because the core's stronger, I would think it's gonna pick up quicker. Two for two.
Looking good so far.
It's like those two shots were cloned. They weren't even close to the same. So UFO alert's got a lot of games, threw it all season long. Clone's got about 10 shots. We're getting pretty far left. Asymmetric balls tend to stand up relatively quick compared to the symmetric ones, so we'll see how well this one continues compared to the alert. Rotato potato! So far on the 3 shots I've thrown, it seems pretty responsive to hand position changes. I threw one pretty normal. The second one, I rolled it a little more, not on purpose. Stood up, went forward. That one I rotated it a little more, and it actually picked up quicker. Those asymmetric bowling balls are gonna be a little more sensitive to the changes you make with your hands, just because it's not the same all the way around on the inside. So I've moved left every shot, probably about 3. It's shot number 4, and we'll see how UFO alert stacks up once we get into a spot that doesn't look so good with this one. Still going. We could probably keep going. What are the similarities? They're both green. They both have the same mass bias little symbol guy. Let me see. Wait, yeah, the little alien guy there. Yeah, the little Illuminati. Different color, but same logo. This one looks like a watermelon. When my brother told me that it looked like a watermelon, I was thinking the inside. Or like watermelon colors, green and pink, but it looks like a watermelon that has not been sliced open. Another chunk to the left. I do think you might want to make some surface adjustments. It stands up a little quick out of the box, at least for me. If that's what you like, to keep it out of the box, but I don't like those big asymmetric bowling balls standing up too fast because they get forward too quick sometimes, and that's when the flat 10 city happens. I leave enough of them, probably too many of them. I know ball reaction looks decent for now, but look at the alert. Definitely been touched a couple times. I'm gonna move a little back to the right. We'll get more aggressive. The surface brought ball reaction a little closer to us, aka earlier. Still picking up pretty much the same way, just a little sooner. I was hoping it would blend it out a little bit, but my first gut reaction when I threw this ball was long patterns. I feel like this would be pretty good on the long. When you bowl on longer patterns, the volumes typically don't change a whole lot, so you have the same amount of oil spread out across a longer distance, so there's less oil per board. So the more surface you use, the more oil you take away from the front of the lane, the faster you have to move left. If you don't move left, you're just gonna have a bad time. Because this cover is shiny, it should preserve the front of the lane a little bit better as you're throwing it. I would touch it a little bit though, maybe a light 1 or 2 thousand. Okay, I kind of like it now.
I was gonna say, man, it looks pretty good.
It was just the surface. All right, so this alert is probably gonna be a little bit rounder. I know it's not solid bowling ball, but it's got a lot more games. If the clone rounds out the same way this one rounded out, with more games and more use, I think I'm gonna be pretty happy with the clone. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical at first.
Hard to beat that though.
It's hard to follow up a ball that's been so good. I mean, look at that. That's perfect ball reaction. Is that gonna happen here? I don't know. Is it a perfect clone? No. I mean, obviously, it's got a slightly different core. Very, very slight, but it's still different. It's got a different cover. Similar, it's still different. But can we clone strikes? So I'm gonna stay in the same spot, I think. We'll see if it's better. I was pretty close to the same. If you do need a replacement, For your UFO alert, this will be the next best thing. It is the closest thing possible on the market at this time. So if you like your UFO alert, while this isn't going to be exactly the same, it should be kind of close. Solid cover stock compared to hybrid, slightly stronger numbers, and wait, that's it, right? Yeah. So slightly stronger cover, just because it's solid, and then slightly stronger core.
Are you good?
I think I'm good. I don't know. Is this the actual Darren or the clone talking? Yeah, it's got a slightly stronger cover and a slightly stronger core. Okay. What do you want me to do with this thing?
Lost the cap.
I don't know. I don't want to loft the cap in my current condition. What can I say? You can say it's a great clone.
I'm a Darren.
How do you feel about this ball?
Looks a lot. Pretty responsive.
Darren has abandoned our video.
Oh, the video was over. What do you mean? I'm right here.
No, I'm right here.